Have you ever ended the day feeling busy, but somehow not productive? Like you worked all day, yet the important things still didn't get done. Today, I'll show you how to master time management using simple rules that actually work. Let's start with this. 1. The domino effect. Most people start their day randomly. Big mistake. Do the one task that makes everything else easier. When the first domino falls, the rest don't require force. They fall naturally. 2. The 1-3-5 rule. At the start of each day, decide 1 big task, 3 medium tasks, 5 small tasks. That's it. Not 27 things, not an endless to-do list. When you know what matters, your brain stops panicking. 3. Eat your frog. No, not the real frog. Your hardest task? Do it first. In the morning, before your motivation drops, before distractions begin. When you finish your toughest task early, the rest of the day feels lighter. 4. The 80-20 rule. 20% of your work creates 80% of your results. But most people spend 80% of their time on low-impact tasks. Ask yourself daily, what's the 20% that actually moves my life forward? Do that first. 5. Stop multitasking. Task batching. Multitasking kills focus. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses energy. Instead, group similar tasks together. Reply to emails at once. Edit content in one block. Study in focused sessions. Less switching equals more productivity. 6. The Eisenhower Matrix. Not everything urgent is important. Split your tasks into 4 categories. Do it, important plus urgent. Decide, important, not urgent. Delegate, delete. If it's not important, why is it in your life? Time management is also about elimination. 7. Break tasks into pieces. Task like make YouTube video feels heavy. But write script, record voice, edit, design thumbnail. Suddenly, it's manageable. Small steps reduce resistance. 8. Pomodoro plus time blocking. Work in focus sprints. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Repeat. And schedule blocks for deep work. Don't find time. Block it. If it's not scheduled, it's optional. And optional things rarely get done. 9. Airplane mode. Your phone is stealing your future. Notifications break focus. When working, turn on airplane mode. No alerts, no scrolling. Protect your attention like it's gold, because it is. 10. Close your day properly. Most people finish work randomly. Instead, take 10 minutes at night. Review what you completed. Wrap up loose ends. Plan tomorrow. This clears mental clutter. Your brain rests better when it knows there's a plan. Final truth. Time management isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Master this. Focus, prioritize, eliminate. Because successful people don't have more time. They just use it intentionally.
If this helped you, do like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs direction in life.